It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading. I am doing a little bit of cleanup today. We're getting ready for winter. It's already snowed. I want to go back in the bush and clean up the trail because there's stones and logs and all kinds of things on the trail. And I want to get it ready so when winter comes and there's snow, we can just go back there with a snow blower and blow some snow, and we're not going to damage the blower. There's a bunch of stuff around here and the old wood buggy that is disabled. We got to try to move that. So let's go. This loader has become really handy for lifting all kinds of things. It may not be that strong, but it's helped me out a lot. But this one, I just don't know if it can actually lift it up. We'll have to see. Okay, so we're gonna see if this thing will lift it. Okay, so that wasn't the prettiest thing in the world, but it did get it out. It saved a lot of manhandling and a lot of wear and tear on the four-wheeler for sure, if I was just to drag it out. So, we're going to unhook this thing, and we're going to head back, and we're going to clean the rest of the trail.
So I want to make sure that I can clear a nice blown trail around both sides of my sugar shack. So I cleaned up some chunks of wood that were here and a stone that was there. But we are going to cut down this one tree because I think the snowblower would just fit through here, but I don't want to damage the snowblower. So I'll come back with the chainsaw and cut that one down. But we'll continue through here. There's an old tarp that used to cover up some wood. I'm probably going to cut down those two little trees. And the road's pretty clear after that. Then I'll have a nice loop around the sugar shack. Like these all the way down the trail. I really have to pick them up, because that'll make an absolute mess of my blower. Here's another one. So there you go, I got the trail cleared to the sugar shack. I may have to cut down a few little trees just to allow me to get around with the snowblower better. But it is coming along nicely. I knew I had to get this done before the snow comes. So there you go, I got the trail all cleared all the way back to the sugar shack, to the back cube. So it's ready to go. Whenever we get snow, I can start blowing it. It's unlike me to be this early because I normally wait till there's a ton of snow on the ground and then I fight with it. So I'm pretty organized and it's starting to become scary, you know, like organization is not my thing. It really isn't. Each year gets better because you see how hard it was for yourself to deal with it last year. So you try to plan ahead, and doing maple syrup, it really does help you if you can plan ahead for sure. So that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good one.